Smart rules for cycling safely. Cycling can be lots of fun. You can cycle alone or with your friends. Many people like mountain biking too. You can leave the city behind and enjoy the beauty of nature. But you must always remember to stay safe. Here are some good ideas to help you cycle safely. First, always wear a helmet to protect your head. Make sure the helmet fits you so that it doesn't fall off. Also, never wear a hat under your helmet. Next, lights are very important. Your bike needs to have lights and reflectors so that other drivers can see you. You shouldn't wear loose clothes or listen to music through headphones. Also, gloves and knee pads are a good idea. Finally, when you ride your bike in the city, you must respect road signs. Use hand signals to tell drivers what you intend to do. You mustn't ride too close to cars, especially parked cars. People open car doors suddenly, and that can be very dangerous. Always remember to keep your bike in good condition. You have to check the brakes, tyres, and chain regularly. Do you have a bike? Do you like cycling? What things do you take with you? Where do you like to cycle?